Uh-huh. So at least just to congratulate you on at least passing your PowerPoint 365 certification exam,
Yeah,
and you've done
yeah.
well. So just walk us through how you prepared towards this so that others who watch this video later on can just get some cue from it, how you prepared and how you eventually got certified and how you're going to use the skills for your work.
I actually used some of the material you sent to me, and then I kept like practicing, and yeah. So
Okay.
that's how. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Brilliant. Brilliant. So what was the next step? You said something about project management ready certification, which should
Yeah,
be
that one.
the next step. Okay.
Yeah. So
So
I'll just prepare for that one.
yeah, I'll be here to assist you throughout the process. Yeah.
All right. All
Yeah.
right.
Thank you very much, Essam.
All right. All right, sir.
Bye.
All right. Sir.